Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. If you read for my title, I have the November 2019 Boxycharm, and I am so excited this month because I know one of the spoilers and I cannot wait. So if you want to see what I got in the November 2019 Boxycharm, then just stay tuned. All right, I was shocked. So I usually get Boxycharm in PR, and then I also have my own account, and I usually get the one in PR first. So that one will be delivered tomorrow. This one, my account came in today, which I don't think has ever happened. So I'm definitely excited to see what is in here. I know they came out with the Boxy Premium, which I did not sign up for. I see that they had the Natasha Denona palette thing, which I had before and I gave away. So, and then they had brushes. Boxycharm, I think it was like their first time brushes. And I know the full set was going to be in the premium. And I remember Joe saying in his video that the 2 brushes will be in the base box, which is what I have. And it's 2 of the bigger ones. So I'm definitely excited. All right, so let's cut this tape open. Let me know down below, did you guys get your Boxycharm early? Let me know. All right. Oh, wait a minute. This is red. Usually it's all black, so that caught me off guard. I love, my 2 favorite colors are turquoise and black, but I also like red and black. My kitchen is red, black, and white, so that's what this is, red, white, and black. I love that so much. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the lightweight concealer. And what Boxycharm is starting to do now is they're going to go by your profile. So you get to sample this, see which one is your shade, and then you go into your account and you let them know. So that way when they send you the concealer, they know the right one. Or even foundations they're going to do also in the future. So that's really good. I'm glad that they're doing that. This is in fair, light to medium, medium, and rich. It's right here. All right. So here's the card. That looks a little bit different. It says Boxycharm, Stellar. I guess the theme for this month is Stellar. And then right here tells you everything that you get and prices. So I'm just going to put that down. All right. So the first thing that I got, we got to choose the customize. And I chose this. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. That was a mouthful. Oh, let me tell you what. I got Variation 22. Right there. All right, so there's at least 22 variations. All right, and I'm definitely excited for this. I am 43, and so I am starting to get like those, what do you call it, crow's feet and stuff. So I cannot wait to try this. All right, so that's what it looks like. I thought this would be like bigger. Oh God, what's this? That caught me off guard. I thought this was a pump, but I'm not hating that. So you could just go like that. All right, I am so excited to try this. Love that. Let's see, what was the price on that? I know that was expensive. So the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, that is $50. And this is up to $25 a month now. It used to be $21, now it is $25. So right there, that pays for the box. I'm definitely excited. The next thing is, so what are you? So we have a sponge, which I love getting sponges, but I don't know what brand this is. This is Illuminati. Oh, okay. This is $21. Now, the Beauty Blender is only $20. Let me feel you. I don't think this would be worth it. I would never pay $21 for a brand I've never heard of, and that's called Illuminati. I mean, it's soft. Once you wet it, dampen it, I'm sure it gets a lot softer and bigger. But I never heard of this. Illuminati, I don't know about the name, but I wouldn't pay $21. But I'm glad that it's in this subscription and that I get to try it. So that's good. But there's something in here I don't see, unless it's hidden, but I don't see it, and I'm going to be very upset if I don't get it. So let me keep going. The next thing I got is this Dose of Colors lipsticks. This is in Date Night. Now, I know there were 4 shades that you could have got, so I'm not knocking this. I never used to like red, and this past year, I've really been getting into red. So this is perfect for like fall, winter, Christmas, and this would be $18. So let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's really, really pretty. That's gorgeous. Let me put a little bit on my lips. It may not go with this green eyeshadow, but where the heck is my, got my Jeffree Star. I'm just putting a little bit on because this will not go with my eye look. I know that, but I like that. I like that a lot. And talking about Jeffree Star, what also came in today, so you know him and Shane Dawson had a launch. So I got both palettes, and I also have a set for you guys. I have the controversial and the mini one. In the next few days, there will be a video with a giveaway, and will be 2 winners. The first prize will get the big one. The second prize will get the mini. And I know it's out of stock. I know they just had a pre-sale for like $60,000, and now you can't get any until 2020. So don't despair. This could be a great Christmas gift or whatever. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you're subscribed, and make sure you turn that bell on so you know when this video comes up, because I'm only going to have this up for a few days to give away. All right, the next thing I got is from Milk Makeup. Now, I've tried, this lid's up, coming off. I've tried their blur stick. When it first came out, it was like $36, and I wasn't too impressed. It was okay, but I would never repurchase. Let me try that again. I would never repurchase it again. And so this is $28. This is a holographic cream highlighter stick. I don't know. Let's see. So it has a cap, and always keep the cap on, even if you get the blur stick. If not, if you throw the cap away and just put the lid on, it will dry out. So this is definitely holographic. Definitely. Let me do a little swatch right here. I don't know if I would, I mean, I already swatched it. But, and I put a lot on to show you the, oh God, I mixed it in with my lipstick now. Oh my God. But I might wear it as a little highlighter, or maybe on my lids if I was doing a purple eye look. Somehow I would figure this out, but I wouldn't like reach for this every day. So I did not get my brushes, and I am very upset. I feel like they lie, because I could have sworn that I seen a video with Joe saying that 2 of the brushes would be in the base box and the full set would be in the premium. Please let me know down below if you guys know what I'm talking about. Am I maybe making things up in my head? But I could have sworn that's what he said. But maybe I'm wrong. So last but not least, we all got this palette. And this is the Celestial Thunder palette. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. This is $35. And we got their lip gloss a few months back, Dominique Cosmetics, and I wear this almost every day. I love this. I had this on today. Oh my God, it smells so good, and this is like my favorite formula for lip gloss. That's why I like subscription boxes. Some people don't. They think it's a waste of money, but you get to try brands that you may never have purchased before, never heard of, and you can really find some really good finds, and I will definitely repurchase this. All right, so let me show you this. All right, I told you it was $36. Let's see what it looks like. So the packaging's really pretty. Really, really pretty. So it comes with a mirror, and you get 8 eyeshadows. And the colors, holy cow. I mean, this is beautiful to look at. I've never tried her eyeshadows, but I've heard nothing but great things. So let's do some swatches. I'm going to do the first row first. Oh, that's so pretty. They are really good. Oh my God, I'm dropping stuff. Let's see. That is gorgeous. Now remember, if they don't, which this swatch is really good, if you ever swatch anything, that doesn't mean anything. That's more for the color. I've had palettes. I'm going to do the second row. They feel so buttery. That swatched so good, but they were so patchy and vice versa. I had palettes that swatched so patchy and hardly had any payoff. You had to build it up, but when I applied it on the eye, they were gorgeous. So I'm only doing this to show you the color, which I mean, they just swatch really pretty. This is a gorgeous palette. I'm definitely happy with getting this palette, and you know, I'm happy with this month. If I didn't know that you may not get the brushes, but I was really looking forward to getting those brushes. I don't know, I just love brushes. I even went to Walgreens, and this will be in a future giveaway, and they have their holiday set, the Wet n Wild, that's $30. Every year they have a different sets from Wet n Wild, but it is 50% off right now. So I got two, one for me and one for you guys. So I just love brushes, and I'm really disappointed about that. But enough about me complaining. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you think? Did you like this month? I did like this month, except for the brushes. But like I said, I have made so many unboxing videos. This room is a mess. I need to clean up. All right, that's everything, guys. Please rate this video. So either like it or dislike it. I prefer that you like it, but make sure that you are subscribed, and make sure you have that post notification bell on. Hit it twice so it's on all, so you don't miss out on this giveaway. All right, guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.